Today, no indicators, no oscillators, no complex lines, none of that noise, just the price itself. Bitcoin is currently at the most critical edge of that rising structure we've been tracking for months. Actually, forget months, for years. The weekly channel is telling us the road is clear, but the daily chart is saying, hold on a second. Welcome to Bahoretti. Today, we are talking price action. Using pure price analysis, we are going to try and predict Bitcoin's next move. If you are ready, smash that like button and let's dive into the charts. First, we need to look at the big picture. On the weekly chart, we are inside an ascending channel that has been working with almost millimetric precision since 2023. The bottom of this channel has always given a buy opportunity, and the top has always given a sell opportunity. Just take a look. Where are we right now? We took support from the bottom band and turned our direction back up. Structurally, in terms of market structure, the trend is bull. As long as this rising trend remains intact, our target is the top of the channel. So in the macro view, I don't see anything to panic about. Now it's time to take a closer look. The daily chart. Price is currently facing a massive resistance, the $97,000 to $98,000 zone. This is a supply zone where sellers previously reacted aggressively. But the buyers aren't just sitting around. Look at this black rising trend line coming from the bottom. We are constantly pushing the lows higher, higher lows. Price is squeezing between this trend line and the wall above. It has a triangle structure. We can call this an ascending triangle. This formation usually, not always, but usually, breaks to the upside. However, until that red box is cleared, we absolutely must be very careful. Then, let's zoom in a little more. We are dropping down to the 4-hour chart. Price is currently sitting exactly at $96,700, meaning it is fighting right inside the resistance box, the red area, to decide its next move. Here is what we need to watch out for. Rejection, if we turn down from here with a sharp candle, a pullback to the trend line below, around $92,000, is normal. That would be a buying opportunity. Breakout, if we can manage to close a candle above this red box, $98,500 plus, then we can relax. The road ahead is wide open. And here we are at Chiliz, CHZ, the token of sports, the voice of the fans. Look at this chart very carefully, friends. This is absolutely not an ordinary chart. We are sitting right at the very tip of that massive falling wedge structure that has been crushing us since 2022 or even 2021. I mean, we are in a very critical spot. We are literally head-butting that black trend line on the weekly time frame. If this breaks, we cannot just say a simple pump is coming. This would be a trend shift, a revolution. The macro downtrend is about to end. When we drop down to the daily, we can see that the movie has already started. That 50 cents box, the red area that has been exhausting us for months, has now been shattered to pieces. This is called an accumulation explosion. The energy built up so much that price is currently rocketing vertically. $0.50 is now our fortress, our strongest support. In the short term, on the 4-hour chart, we are inside a tremendous rising channel. Price is currently sitting at the top of the channel. The train has left the station. Do we buy here? No. It's risky, but if we get a pullback to the bottom of the channel, or around $0.55, that, right there, means a free ticket. In this video, we executed a very detailed analysis. Bitcoin, trying to break the $98,000 resistance. Chiliz, about to end a multi-year downtrend. The plan is clear, the targets are clear. Leave your emotions at the door. Bring your strategy inside. If you enjoyed these analyses, do not skip the like button and the comments. I am Bahoretti. I love you all. Do not rush. Trade with logic, not with emotion. General out.